Okay, I have one more lesson that I want to show you, and that is packaging your file and keeping track of your resource images. So I'm going to open this bug file that you've seen quite a bit, and see I get this message that it couldn't find this image. So I'm going to replace it. So if I hit replace, I happen to know that I have it in this other folder from the previous week, and here is the file. Okay, so if I hit replace, it goes and it finds that image. So over here, I have my links window. Let me just zoom out of here a moment. So I have in here my links. So that shows me that this image is in there. There's no explanation mark. Okay, so now I can see this image. If I didn't have that there, I'm going to delete this for a moment. I think I have it locked on the other layer. Anyway, you would just see my lines. The picture wouldn't show there. And I'm going to quickly place another picture, this octopus to trace. Just going to stick that on there. And I'm going to place one more image. This cow, isn't he lovely? Okay, so these are all on my file. So you see now they are in here, okay? So I am going to go and package my file. So under File, Package, it says I have to save the document. So I'm saving. And then I am going to Package. This is about copyright restrictions for fonts, and we're just going to hit OK. And so it's doing its thing, and it says that it packaged successfully. Now, I actually wasn't paying attention to where I saved my packaged file. So here it is right here. It's on the same folder as the original artwork. So in here, I have my file, my Illustrator file, and then I have my resource images. So this is important because you want to keep track of your resource images. So after you've put a whole bunch of different resources in there, if you go and package it, it makes it a nice little packaged file. And if you also had fonts in there, it would package the fonts as well. And I want to go back to our image for one more minute because I want to show you another option that you have is that you can embed an image. So if you go here, sorry, you can hit embed images and then it will lock that image in there. There's some good and bad things about that. It limits your being able to make modifications with photographs later on. But if you embed an image, then it's there and you don't need to have it packaged. Okay? So one other thing that I want to show you is after you package this folder and you're going to send this to me, and the reason why I want you to know how to do this is when you were sending me your nature images, if your original artwork was in the bottom layer, I couldn't see it. And if you hadn't sent, the other thing is that the artwork, if you didn't send it to me, I wouldn't see it anyway because it wasn't embedded, it wasn't an attached file. So you have this folder here now and you need to upload it to Blackboard with your resource images, but Blackboard won't let you upload a folder. So the way to work around that is if you highlight the folder, so I'm highlighted in it now, and if I go up to File, Compress, it will go and it'll make it a zip file. And so now I have a zip file in that folder. So right here is a zip file. Okay, so again, when you're in Illustrator, you go up to Package, under File. It will go and collect everything and put it in a folder. And then you will take that folder, you're going to highlight it. You don't open it, you just highlight it. You go up to File, Compress. Now, I have the directions for how to do that on a PC, so I will upload those and put those in there too, okay? Good luck.